Students, everyone, now I am going to explain the next concept in thermodynamic, bond energy. In this concept, in the board exam, 2 marks question they are asking. 2 marks question they are asking, very important calculation. Only it is for the calculation, maximum calculation they ask. And as a NEET also, JEE also they asked previously in this area the question. Also they asked the bond energy based on the bond energy. The simple concept, but your understanding is very difficult. Listen carefully. Now, what is the mean by bond energy? The mean by the average the energy required to break all bonds of one type present in the molecule in one mole of molecule of the substance is called as bond energy. Now the average energy required to break off all bonds in the one type of present in 1 mole of molecule is called as bond energy. Now means average some energy required to break the bonds in the molecule. In this molecule, for example, I am going to explain. It is the molecule CH4 is the molecule. This is required to break the bonds, for example, between the carbon and hydrogen. And it is hydrogen. After breaking, they are separated. Here some energy, the average energy required, that average energy delta H is equal to x kilocalories per mole. That is the how many bonds are present here? CH4 are total 4 bonds are present. 4 bonds are present. Now generally we can write as bond energy. The average bond energy of CH bond is equal to X energy by how many bonds are 4 bonds are breaking, calorie per mole bonds they are breaking. And also due to bond fusion, the gaseous atoms are formed. And also if there is a state other than gas, the additional other than gases, the additional heat is required. To convert that state into gaseous state. This heat of reaction can be calculated by bond energy values. Bond energy values. For example, I am writing the molecule is CH double bond H plus H2 to form CH and H. Now it is a ethene molecule changed into ethane. In the case, the enthalpy of is equal bond energy of product, bond energy of reactants, bond energy of reactant minus bond energy of products, bond energy of product. This is a formula we can use this case. In the case now, the heat energy required to convert liquid to gas also added, and also heat energy is required to convert liquid to gas state. Crystals is added. In this case, we can write as bond enthalpy, that is enthalpy of the bond energy of H bond plus 1 by 2 bond energy of oxygen, double bond oxygen minus 2 into bond energy of OH bond plus heat of vaporization of liquid, it is also added. This is the formula also we can use for the conversion of liquid to gas. Now the resonance energies, for example in H2 case, in H2 in the liquid state is formed. It is a element or ends the heat of formation can be also evaluated by using bond energy values, and also the resonance energy. The resonance energy is the difference of heat formation based on experimental values and theoretical values by using theoretical value also. Critical value also. Now see here the bond energies of carbon nitrogen and nitrogen, sulfur hydrogen, oxygen hydrogen, this is the bond energies, bond enthalpies. See here all carbon with respect to all the molecules, carbon with respect to all the hydrogens, now sulfur with respect to these atoms, oxygen with respect to these atoms, and these atoms, boron these atoms. These values are important, very very important for the calculation. Now here see here 728 if the C double bond with keto group is present, bond enthalpy is 406 if NO2 is present, 368 if the NO3 is present, it is a very important, 506 if the alternative single bond double bond is present in the molecule. This is the values for the calculation. These values are very important, learn properly. These three values are also very important when we are doing calculation. Then they will give the values also in the exam point of view. Then we can calculate some questions also based on the values. It's very very important, students. Listen carefully and read properly. do more practice in this area. Thank you, friend.